Hello everybody! So today we're gonna draw Catnap, and later on this video we're gonna draw Huggy Wuggy next, okay? And also don't forget likes, subscribe to my channel and like. Comment down below if what do you guys want me to draw next. So let's start now. As you guys think, why am I a kid that I am drawing things just like that I already start my YouTube channel, right? So if you guys think I kind of want to make a YouTube channel because since I was a kid, I dreamed to be a YouTuber. Yes, and as you guys know, I wanna be an artist too. But guys, help me to reach 100,000K because my mom will be super proud of me. Because I wanna get the 100,000 play button, guys. So subscribe to my channel now. So we're gonna draw this just like that. Just do that and go over here. After that, I will do that, and over here we will do that the same. After that, we're gonna draw this thing over here. After that, we'll do the other side too. Then after that, we will make a dot over here. Dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that. And do the same 1, 2, 3, and that. So after that, we're just gonna go over here and color this thing. And do that thing over here too. And let's do the same over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, we're gonna color this thing as black. And I am also using a book which is we used when I was in school. So today I am now grade 2 as you think. Okay guys, don't judge me because I am just a kid, okay? So let's do these things over here. So that. And after that we will do this 1 and 2, 3, and 1, and we'll do the same 1, 2, 3, and then that, and then after that we'll do the thing again over here, then we'll do the same. Maybe this thing is not Huggy Wuggy, okay guys? I am not barely an artist, okay guys? So after that, we're gonna draw 2 circles and another one. Then we will do another circle over here and another circle over here. Then after that, we will do this. Okay, so I think this thing is Huggy Wuggy. So we'll draw a straight line that goes just like that, and one line that goes over here, and that, and just do that same just like here. And we'll do over that thing over here. Okay, so today guys, we finished Huggy Wuggy, okay? I'm not barely an artist and this thing doesn't look like so Huggy Wuggy, so we're gonna draw Catnap next, okay? After that, we're gonna go through the pages. As you guys can see, this is one of I write when we were in school. So let's go over here maybe. I kind of like to draw, guys, because my wish is to be an artist. If some people treat me like I will never be an artist, but dreams always come true, right, guys? Okay, let's go over here. Wait, guys. I'll just my marker, okay? Wait a minute. So, my marker is now done. I will just do this. Okay. So, today we will do this and put my phone over here. Okay, so today we're gonna draw now Catnap. As I said earlier, I kinda want to draw Hagiwagi first because she is the most basic one to draw. So today Catnap we are gonna draw is, so this Catnap is gonna be not fully draw. We're gonna just draw the face, okay, guys? Because I kind of forgot what do Catnaps look like from her whole body. Because I kind of learned how to draw from TV. And so guys, I have 120 markers. Okay, so you can just see this little bit. Okay, guys. And it is kind of cheap, but not kind of pretty cheap. A little cheap and a little expensive. It is $340. It is kind of cheap and kind of expensive a little. Okay, so we're just gonna color this. We're just gonna do that. If you guys had Play Puppy Playtime Chapter 3, then if you had tried that, then congrats, because guys, I don't have a computer. I only got a phone. So just don't judge me, okay? I'm just a kid. Isn't it kind of hard color, guys? My screen is kind of blurry, guys. Wait a minute. Now that's what I'm thinking. My phone is pretty blurry. Let me just up that just like this. So that should be much better, guys. Then after that, we will do the eyes, which is pretty easy. We're just gonna do that and do that and make a little circle, put a dot over there and color it just like that. So guys, we're kind of almost done with Catnap. So we're just gonna just draw the same and draw that thing, and let's draw the little circle and the little dot. Okay, guys, so you see already Catnap. So this thing kind of looks like Catnap. So we're just gonna do that. Okay, so just gonna do that. Copy just like that. Then after that, just gonna go here and do that. That thing over here too. Then after that, we are gonna draw that over here. Then after that, we are gonna do this. Okay, so guys, this. So we're just gonna fix this. I'll make it a little higher, just like that. And do that thing this thing over here. I just want to color this thing a little, guys. Okay. So then after that, we're just gonna color this a little. Okay guys, so this thing is kind of done. So we're just gonna do that. And that. And boom. And just do that. Guys, I'm not a pretty good drawer, okay? Just like I said earlier. Okay, so let's do that. That thing to say. And put a little bite mark. Just like that. And put a little thing just like that. Then after that, guys, we're gonna do that. And we're gonna draw the thing. And 1, 2. So today, guys, so we're done of catnap. So guys, hopefully you like the thing that I draw, guys. So okay, so peace, bye.